FAA grants Amazon BVLOS permissions for enhanced urban deliveries and future expansion across the U.S. By DroneLife staff writer Ian J. McNabb, International Everything Store, Amazon recently announced that they had received FAA approval to expand their drone delivery operations, having new permissions to conduct BVLOS beyond visual line of sight missions around the College Station, Texas area. TIA's new approval will allow Amazon to expand their operations in more crowded urban areas, as well as opening the door for future expansions into other, yet-to-be publicly named cities in the U.S. Currently, drone delivery is restricted to College Station and Lockford, California. This approval is a result of the FAA's rigorous review process, which included the submission of extensive engineering materials, including Amazon's proprietary onboard detect and avoid system. This was then followed by extensive real-world testing. In order to gain approval, Amazon conducted further flight demonstrations in front of FAA flight experts. This included live displays around such dynamic obstacles as planes, helicopters, and even a hot air balloon, all meant to demonstrate the safety and efficacy of their delivery system. According to the press release, Amazon aims to be able to process 500 million packages per year by drone by the end of the decade, showing their commitment to a UAV-driven future, even as key staff to the project were laid off in early 2023. This new approval by the FAA follows some impressive displays of their Mk-27 delivery drones capabilities, including a local pharmacy-by-drone service that promises residents of the area access to vital medication right to their door in less than an hour. This will be replaced over the coming year with the hybrid VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, Mk-30, which is a 6-rotor design, which is both smaller and lighter than the existing model, with around twice the effective flight range and better capabilities during inclement weather.